Here is a look at our ME106 project, which is the automatic cat feeder and water. The automatic food system is shown on the left and the automatic water system on the right, which we'll go more in depth later. First, we'll start with the food system. The food system consists of a food hopper, which food is poured into and gets ready to be dispensed. Inside the food hopper is a force sensor that indicates if a hopper is full or not via an LED on the baseboard. The hopper is mounted to the dispensing system, which dispenses the food by rotating an Archimedes screw using a 12-volt motor and a bearing. When power is delivered, the screw rotates for 2 seconds, dispensing the ideal amount of food. If we wanted to dispense less food, then we could turn it down from 2 seconds to 1 second in a practical scenario. For testing purposes, the food dispenses on a 1-minute timer, but could be changed to every 12 hours in a real scenario. In front of the food dispenser is an ultrasonic sensor that will stop the food from dispensing if any motion is detected. If no motion is detected, the food will automatically dispense. We'll see this later in the video. Behind the food system is our power supply and circuit wiring that is powering the whole system, again, which we'll see later in the video. Here's a video that we captured during presentation day. This is a look at the food hopper with the food in it. The food dispenses automatically based on a 1-minute timer, but as mentioned earlier, can be changed to any value. Since there is no motion in front of the dispenser, food will automatically be dispensed. Next, we'll take a look at the automatic water system. The components you see are the water bowl, the water funnel, and the water reservoir in the back. The water bowl is the silver, the water funnel is the black part, the float switch is in the water funnel, and the reservoir is in the back. Normally, the water reservoir is screwed into the water funnel and automatically refills the bowl by using gravity and pressure to keep the water level consistent. This works when the bottom of the funnel is submerged at water level and no air can enter the bottle, stopping the flow. Inside the water funnel/reservoir is a float switch that indicates if it is full or not using an LED. For demonstration purposes, we remove the water reservoir to manually move the float switch so you can see. If you look at the breadboard, when the float switch is lowered, the red LED on the left starts blinking, indicating that it is empty. When the switch is raised, the LED turns off, indicating there's water. Now here's one more look at our ultrasonic sensor for the food dispenser. Notice how if we place our hand in front of the sensor, indicating motion, the green on the LED on the right side of the board turns on and food won't dispense. Now here's one more detailed look at the circuit wiring for our system. We used multiple resistors, a load cell Wheatstone bridge, LEDs for indicating water light, food light, dispensing light, and ultrasonic light from left to right, an Arduino board for our microcontroller, a load cell amplifier, linear regulator, NPN transistor, N-channel MOSFET, and a 10 microfarad capacitor. The details of how all these components work together will be displayed in our report. Here's one final look at the automatic food dispensing system and automatic water dispensing system for our ME106 term project.